Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog. I have a special, and guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. So anyway, guys, today, these videos start from my home here. Actually, this is my house right now, and thank you so much for clicking my videos. At the same time, guys, I'm a total mess right now. The time is so fixed, and I'm supposed to run to the Junior construction site. That being said earlier, I'm a supervisor. At the same time, I'm a manager. So I'm taking care of the properties and to see how many numbers of the cement arrived still bar. And guys, don't forget, I'm on the process of buying materials here and there to build my mama dream house. And my mama, she's just right there. Mama, come and then you say hello. Kuja. Hey, on a gambut, guys. Hey, serious mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Mama mind.
Naenda kupanda.
Yeah, I'm asking my mama. Right now you have maize. Where do you heading to? My mama told me she went to the farm. They want to plant. All right, mama. Nice time.
Yes.
Bye.
I am subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, Kualo baby.
Yeah. Guys, if you heard from my mama, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Anyway, guys, sorry guys to say this. Yesterday I upload the videos and I wake up in the morning. That video have some errors, so I supposed to delete and to re-upload again, guys. So if you meet that videos in my exact time, guys, please watch till the end. Sometime, you know, to shoot to convert a video with a phone somehow hectic. So like right now I'm just uploading that video. You can't imagine, guys, this is where network is full here. So I'm uploading right now that videos. Anyway, guys, sorry guys. Even me, I feel so disappointed. I upload the videos, went through social media, and unfortunately the videos have some errors. So I delete and then re-upload again, guys. If you rewatch till the end, guys, love so free, show me some love, guys. And let me know in the comment section. Look, I'm uploading that video for yesterday. Right now it's 70% uploading, so 21 minutes to finish uploading. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here, guys, subscribe. And on today's vlog, maybe it's possible these videos I'll drop earlier, and my yesterday video, guys, maybe it will come at our own pace. So before I leave, guys, I want to introduce you guys. This is my house. This is how it looks like, and I'm supposed to take my tea right here. So my mama gave me tea, and you know, when I left home up to evening, we shall meet maybe supper time. So this milk tea, guys, don't ask me anything today. I feel like I don't want to take bread or chapati. Plain milk tea. Okay, let me pray for a small cup of tea that I have here. Thank you, Father. Bless my food that on my table. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Guys, I'm rushing to the construction site. Guys, don't mind, it's not hot. Hey, I'm telling you, man, I'm totally confused. Imagine, I'm telling you. This is how a small kitchen looks like. And on my yesterday vlog, I was frying the fish here with my mama, and it's a kind of disappointed. The videos has an error. I'm telling you, this month maybe I will have a laptop to edit my videos rather than using the phone. Bring me some issues here and there, and sometimes I feel so tired. I use some money to upload videos, and then the videos get like have some errors. Anyway, guys, this is how my house looks like, and right here I have my small music. Maybe I'll tune on a little bit because I don't like copyright. Look, these are music here. You heard?
Play by TF card.
Wait. I don't want to get copyright, guys. Must be very, very careful. Anyway, guys, I'm heading outside, and this is how my house looks like. Maybe I'm trying my best. Wow. So let's go. So that being said, for my premiere again, my yesterday video is coming. Don't worry. And these videos, I'm shoot to cover my video of yesterday, which, like, man, I feel so like I'm almost to cry when my videos got some problem. And I just believe this month I must buy a computer, or in our village here we called a laptop, a small laptop for editing my videos. As long as we edit the videos in laptop, one after all, no editing, no cutting, no nothing. But my phone, it just here disappointed me. I feel like to crash them, but all in well. Let's see how this day goes. But let me see how many percentage did my videos reach. It's 76, remaining 17 minutes. Imagine, guys, imagine. Oh, here is where network is full. So I'm uploading my video right there. And for me, I'm so grateful. So right now, I'm heading to Nyabohansi. And you have already see my mama went to the farm. Oh, let me close it here. And I'm struggling here. And right now my bike has no fuel, so I will use some exercise to walk from here up to Nyabohansi, where construction take place. Today I'm not going to help that guy to mix the concrete, and I feel like sometimes I'm tired, but it's because my video disappoint me. So, and I think today is our last day to complete the pillars. By tomorrow morning is the setting of all the house, and then on the top, like on the first floor, we put some steel bar, a lot of steel bar. You will see, guys, by yourself. Oh, look at this bird. It's a lizard right here. It's going that way. So, man, I don't know where my mama tied the cow. I'm trying to look them. You know, me, I love animal because, like, the cow, they feed us fermented milk tea. Right now I was taking milk tea, and thank you so much for the love and support. When I see this structure, man, I feel like, oh man, dream come to reality. Anyway, I came to check here whether there is these toilets are clean, or I'll come and then do some cleanness inside here to end our videos, like, man, like that way. Oh, it's clean, like it's not dirty, but they having to make some cleanness here. So I'll come from the construction site, I'll come and make some cleanness right now here inside. I'm telling you, what a good day, man. Imagine by watching my videos, I'm trying to build this toilet, and to be honest, I start to build this toilet with nothing. I started like with 0. Me, I say, no matter what, when it took me 2 years, let me build the toilet for my family, and God opened the door. Right now the toilet is here, and it's 24 hours. You can't have smell inside here, so we're maintaining hygiene. So maybe when this toilet could be smell, I can't stand here. Like 20 minutes or 15 minutes. So right now it's clean. Like we maintain hygiene. We have toilet cleaner, air clean, like fresh air fresher right here. We have everything. We put water on this bucket. Right now no water. So when I came from Nyabohanse, I'll come to fetch water in the borehole. Right now, like no more rain here. So it's supposed to fetch water from the borehole. Wait guys, you see me doing some cleanness. Look, it's by God's grace. I'm showing you every day this toilet for my new subscriber, and for my old subscriber, you since been there since I was starting this structure up to finishing and everything. So me, I'm showing my all my new subscriber on today's vlog, and I have a slippery veggies right here known as Kirerema. Look, we have the pumpkin leaf right here. Imagine. Let's go and see. And guys, for the first time you meet my videos, let me show you. I bought materials to build my mom's dream house. That the hardcore ground stones. But me, I'm just, when I get money, I supposed to manage to balance both side on materials, and to make sure that my family put something on table. Why not? Like on my yesterday videos, which disappointed me today, I cooked the fish with my mom. We enjoy. But guys, if you made that videos for my premiere again, watch it till the end. Nothing could be changed, nothing could be hide there. But I get the notification my video have some errors, so I delete. Imagine. Did you know how many money I spent to upload that video, guys? And it has some errors, but all in all, a man can struggle. There's some challenges that I pass, maybe some time, right, left, center, but I solve it. Let's go. Nowadays, no more birds here, and that they migrate from here. Let's go and see. Whew. Let me go and show. Let me go and show the materials. Have the beautiful baby calf right here, basking in the sun. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Mr. Baby Calf, say hello. Right, let me show you. Oh, my mama tied the cow right here. We have another one right here. Let's see. Right, I'm heading this way, and I wanna show you the materials. You know, guys, when I'm saying like not like when I'm saying I'm buying materials for my mom's dream house, for my new subscriber, maybe they think like, oh, hello baby, didn't show us the material. Let me show you. Let me show you. Woo. Right here. You see, guys, right here, and I'm sharing with you the cost price of each trip. Like one trip goes to $60, and I put on the ground 6 trip. So like one trip $60, and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's $360. I'm telling you guys, because it's 60 times 6, $360. I purchased this material. Maybe people, they will think like I'm buying at once. I'm telling you, man, it took me 6 good months to buy this material, like to save a little, and then when it reach $60, I put one material, one trip until I finish up. Maybe I'll add maybe extra one trip for in case when maybe it mess up. But as this one, I'm 100%. It can complete the house, setting the foundation. I have our cow right here. It's grazing, it's right here. Wow. We have another one sleeping here, but it's a quiet morning right here. That's why you see the cow sleeping here, basking the sun from this side. Oh, imagine guys, you can touch our cow. Look. Say hello. Right guys. And I'm thinking twice. I supposed to use this route or this route, but all routes can go to Nyabuhans, this way or this way. Let me see which is which. But probably if I can, when I go this way, I can go to Nyabuhans. All in well, let me use this route, the main route, so I don't want maybe to block things. Imagine I'm heading to the construction site because maybe today it's our last day. The mason and handman finishing the pillars. So tomorrow is the setting of each and every side post. Look what I'm doing in my village here, guys. Let's go. That's my grandma home, that's my dad's home. I'm telling you. I'm heading this way, and I love to pass on this place because of the nature and view. Guys, my yesterday videos, if I could maybe, like, I'm the guy who upload the videos and then immediately delete, I could maybe fainting, but me, I upload my videos, and then to make sure that my videos have been went through internet, after 2 days I delete. I'm not the guy who do things quick, like uploading the videos, when it went to the internet to delete. No. That's what the way I am. Let's go. Let's go and see. Imagine how that view coming, like, imagine like it's coming like, look. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate for your full support that will show me, and let's see how this month go. Imagine my brother and sister went to school. I paid them the school fees here and there, and I buy materials. Imagine even at a time like this, my bike has no fuel. So today I'll walk today and tomorrow to see how the day go. But all in well, follow the vibe to the end. Why not hello baby? Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Your son is outside here chasing the dream. Your brother is outside here chasing the dream. If I could get 5 people, share my link to 50 people, I could turn to 7,000 subscribers. But soon I will enjoy 7,000 subscribers. And I want to say, guys, thank you so much for taking me 6,420 subscribers. So right now I'm remaining with 580 to turn 7K. Soon we celebrate together. One love. Let's go. Oh man, I feel like even when the bike has no gas, I can walk. Me, I'm the guy who struggle everywhere. Even I can survive in the desert. Why not? When no fuel, I can walk. Guys, I think when I'm going back like this, because the sun is coming from here and it's facing my sun, you see me clear going down. But when I'm going this way, you can't see. But only when, guys, as long as you see amazing view, let's follow the vibe. And our neighbors are supposed to be close friend of mine, but nowadays they migrate and the house remaining the way they are here. Let's show you here, taking you here and see how things go. This is how our house looks like in our village. Right here. Imagine right here. You can tell in the comment section, guys, no one who's staying here. And probably they were being friend of mine. Right nowadays, no people staying here. They migrate to Nyabuhansa Center and buy the land and left the house the way they are here. Imagine. And the greatest thing is, when you didn't stay on a house like this, one day you find your house fall down. You have avocado trees, you have banana. For example, I'm showing you this banana right here. Imagine, right here. Hey. Hello, baby on the control. Let's go and see how things go. Oh my god. Let's go, guys. I can't wait to hit the road in the construction site. If I could have the motorbike, I'm using 30 minutes to be there. But right now I can walk like 1 hour. Maybe 56 minutes to 1 hour to reach Nyabuhansa. Probably, may I say God thank you to give me good health. Oh guys, I'm continuing with my journey, and my SD card was full of the videos, so I'm supposed to delete sometime. Maybe to have one SD card is sometimes it's hectic. And let's go. There's some challenges that I passed through here, but all in well, me I'm fluid vibe to the end. Imagine that's how roads looks like. Look, and we have indigenous trees right here. Maybe it's stay here over 60 years. I think 60 years, because I was born and get that trees the way they are right now, right there. And it has a good shade. I'm telling you, this one here, even at Kongrat Dad, I see these trees there, and it's a huge, man, I'm telling you, it can go like that way, making a good shade. This one that you see here, and it's a local tree in Africa here. And when we came with a pang and we make a mark, to bring something like a gum, a white gum. And then during back years, people hunting wild animal and birds. So sometimes they use these trees here, like the gum of these trees, to catch or to trap the birds, you know. So let's go. Woo. I'm heading down and my vlog continue, guys. Hey. Heading deep. Imagine I'm going to the construction site the way I am right now here, and that's my outfit for today. Why not? Whew. Today's today, guys. Other side, maybe people think the world ends right there, but it's keep going. May I realize the world can't end. When I was a kid, I was thinking that, oh, when you see the far end, that's the end of the world. Gora bab. It's a motorbike. Go. Let's go. Whew. I'm not tired, but I'm keep going. It's because I'm walking so quick. It's because I'm walking so quick, guys. But maybe let me reduce my force for walking like papa. Oh, let's go up to the construction site. Right, left, center, everything's green, but center is the road that we have here. Whew. Maybe I'll find a good Samaritan passing the motorbike here. Maybe. Whoa. Hello, baby, to the world. Me is my family made who I am today, and I'm trying to grind so hard to support my family. And guys, you're amazing to me by supporting me every day, watching my videos. And I'm not perfect, guys, but I keep to chase my dream outside here. Imagine from deep village in Kenya, in a small village known as Nyabuhanse, to the world, chasing the dream. Imagine, I'm telling you, I'm keep going. I'll never give up like walking. Imagine, guys, at a time I was walking from my home up to Nyabuhanse when the bike has no guys, and I feel like I'm making practice. Whoa. Making practice. There's a motorbike right there. Passing with a full sack of maize. Hey, have cassava plantation right there. Like in our village here, it's somehow like we do barter exchange of goods and services. For example, this neighbor, they can plant maize. The next neighbor, they can plant cassava. And this for the first neighbor, when they want to need cassava, they give like exchanging. Give him maize and exchange to him cassava, like that way. And then we put something on the table. Why not? Look, I'm showing you how our village looks like. And guys, let me tell you guys one thing. You can't imagine on that huge forest, we have a nice tall building inside there. And if you watch, I think my third video on YouTube, when I started my YouTube journey, when you watch my third video on YouTube, I was working inside there and I made a video inside there on that forest that you see. If you think I'm lying, guys, go and watch my maybe third, fourth, I think fourth videos on YouTube. You will see me working inside there. I'm proving you wrong, guys. Let's go and see how our day go. Wow. And to be honest, guys, I bought some clothes last year on December season for the couple who are staying here, but when I came back I didn't find them. Up to nowadays my mama keep that clothes up to nowadays. But all in well, when I found them anytime I could handle them that clothes. Or I told my mama, when you find them anytime, in case when I'm not around, just give them that clothes, because I bought for their kids. And the following day when I came back from the market, I found they migrate, and I looked them through my village, through Nyabuhansi village. I didn't find them. Maybe they will migrate to somewhere else, you know. Wow, that's how the gate looks like. Mabati gate, like our gate. Ooh. Cow are grazing here. Hey, the pickup is coming, man. Hey, hey, Ekore. Ne basi no na.
Abora ante bi ke kende we mangana ka andi roga. Kana to manyeri. Bange genu.
Kana yanke tarenge hano.
Ta uvinya hayo. Aha.
Kana hano.
Hano he. Eno modification bono.
Ayo kwira gon.
Bono ndahira Paulo hano.
Oh.
Wa kandro rangi gazi.
Maha. Kora kitu ukora. Amatafari mapesa no garasom. Garabone ke gose gasambo gasom junu munjira na antena.
Na makongo go ihoma te garabone.
Te garabone ke.
Kusibenyi mora kapanga ngora.
Ngora.
Garengeri sukumi. Irenga mora gasom.
Pra sombe hata sikumbi.
Irenga.
Sibi.
Eh? Irenga.
Ko tibi ko 15.
Titia mbaka sambero hara. Nichukenda somba kimama henda garako hagati. Umanye wachat. They're a friend of mine, guys. So sometimes it's good to greet each other. Me, I'm not the guy who maybe ignore people in our village here. No. So guys, we shall meet in the construction site. Let me walk quick and you see me in Nyabuhansi market, guys. Guys, from here it's around 20 minutes by walking to reach Nyabuhansi market, and I'm heading to the construction that I've been said earlier. Look, for my entire village, everybody's building business house, rental house. Whoa, that right there. Let's go. I'm almost. Antora haram mura. Antora haram. Yeke site bana. Mukamaiko. Do vesko hai. Aya. Another company. Let's go and see how things go. So for you, using your hands right here, nothing could stop me. So, should I go this way or this way? Let's pass at the back. Pass this way as I'm showing you my hands how it looks like. There's a shed here. Says ingira kazi yenu. Fanya kazi. Ama. Nitano mzungu baba. Yes, kamera. Chukuji rekodi kama unataka. Soko. Mbuya. So there's a market right here. So maybe people will wonder, me, I'm just passing at the back. So maybe next year you'll see the tall building here, like a market place. This shed that you see here, fenced by the zinc or mabati. Guys, I'm so tired, but I managed to reach in good time. Let me see what I can see. Maybe people inside. I'll show you a little bit. But I'm okay. You see, guys, it's a tall building inside here for the market. That's how our village improved. You have skuma, all kinds right there. And from here to the construction site, it's 10 minutes by walking. Wow, that's like Bandask where market took place. Let me go. This is a bouncy for you guys. The guy is slashing there. Takunya. Kugora. Kugora nganda kugora. Iga kana no kukunyira hana narakore. Ohe. Ewa no hana. Saati atoma kiusko rukuya. So guys, welcome to the beginner construction site just over here, and I will show you the site right here. Anyway guys, I see from the far end men at work. Babu. Mana mneka mzee juu. Mzee wacha kae kule. You see guys, I'm telling you, men at work. Umudo start acha. Dagiras.
First, uncle, you are testing this. Very high. You put the young men down here. You are testing them.
So they are mixing concrete here. I'm showing you there's some work going on here.
Hello, baby.
Yes,
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm doing a very big work here.
Yeah, men can work.
So just watch some lifting.
They want to put this box to other side. Allah. Nyumba imeisha guys. Nyumba imeisha. Mukiona nyumba imeisha. I'm telling you in Swahili what it means right now. Eh? Hello.
We're just here, just working here. We are just so busy here, working. You can see here.
Okay.
This is a pillar. This is homework now. Want to
Put here.
pull it up here.
Here.
Yes.
Imagine guys from here to fix here.
And so heavy.
Yeah?
So heavy.
You must eat
Yeah.
good.
Eat well
Eat well.
and balance the diet.
Yes, and have more energy.
Yes.
I'm gonna go sweat this sun. Guys, I'm telling you, nothing come easy. Look. Nothing come easy. I'm telling you.
So
Imagine from there to fix here. That being said, guys, I'm telling you, you must work hard and put something on table. Nothing come easy.
tutazuia kupiga msumari.
At the same time, let me show you the people mix concrete here.
Toka neno kwa
Wapigambo kiri.
Hey, ile jangu mkiri.
Camera and hair.
Hey. Put it on very soon.
Ayo.
Oh yeah, the on is there.
On.
Yes, light it on. No, don't catch everywhere, anywhere.
You see, guys, that's my work to be here. Yeah. Right.
So guys,
Babu, kanya hiyo msumari vizuri.
hata kama ilikuwa imesema adungwe. Wewe umesema adungwe, bana sio hicho anachofanya hapo juu.
I'm telling you, that's the work for my supervisor to be here. At a time to help the handman, mason. Whew. Hey. We are here, this is a wheelbarrow to make work easier.
You sell me my new space.
Kana ngoge ngoge.
Yaonge ndo mambo yako sasa.
Watakuja yako ama senti.
Akitongo.
Katebede.
Nakule kugiyebo.
Ntako hilo asini mwamu ya.
Ngene no. Wakaanza na wewe.
Why? Sorry. Sorry. You too. Your height is.
So guys, we must buy for this helmet.
Helmet.
Yes.
Okay.
For their self.
To be honest, guys, I'll talk with my boss, and then the workers must get the helmet.
Helmet. For that, when we know here, hey, my head will be safe.
Or
Yes, even you. Yes.
next week I'll surprise you with a helmet, everyone. Next week.
With a reflector.
Yes, I'll talk with my boss, and then maybe I'll contribute some 2-3 helmets. era kugichikora ari. Niga makiburu gukoroga. No mana gutura mai utakoroga.
Mbura rongoro busara.
Sara chankora tere helmet no angoro busara.
Tikola nasoke gaso uimuke.
Mimi kireta ta helmet mbili tatu. Mwenye nitapea ni yake official. Yeah guys, I'm telling them maybe next week I'll surprise them with a helmet for the protection of the head. Like mason helmet, not riderman helmet.
Not for the bicycle.
Yeah.
Not for the bike. For the motorbike.
Because I didn't have gumboots and today I'm not feeling like mix this concrete here. Maybe I will help you to put water. Kuweka manche. This one have already gone. Remaining with one, like 1, 2, 3. These are sure bets. Boom. Maybe I will help him to put water.
Yeah, put water here. Put water here.
Help them putting water. Then he brought for them some water from this drum here. So these are drum storing water. Oh, it can't go. Oh. Put on this angle. Imagine, guys. Hey. Oh man. Guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm just over here helping my second cousin. And maybe these things, maybe people didn't understand. I have the land for my friend. When I talk on that issues, people start saying, oh, how your second cousin come to your friend. Sometimes we'll be friends, why not?
Add more water here.
More water.
Yeah, more water, but not many. You slowly. Without this young man.
Uncle, wacha kubembeleza simiti. Wekeni iwe kali. Ni pira. Ni pira. Wangu kwa beri simiti. Piga iwe kali. I'm telling him to add one cement there. Because this is a commercial house. Watu wangu mkiona nyumba imeisha upande wa pira. Mnaona? Guys, I'm trying maybe to speak Swahili. I'm saying that we say goodbye, pillars. Maybe tomorrow is the setting of length of the post. Already we have the posts down here. You see here. And I watched on yesterday videos, David Venus channel, they delivered this stuff here, this post. We have another one there. So maybe down here we say goodbye. We shall meet here. First floor. Oh, look at this. These are nails, guys, and very, very delicate. So I need to let me bring the hammer. Hey, introduce yourself.
Hello guys, I'm Jay Visual Builder. So Hello baby, I'm very grateful for introducing me to your channel. So guys, consider my channel also. Please, I'm gonna request you to boost my channel.
Okay.
J Bill Official is my channel name.
JY.
JAY Builder Official. You're gonna see me there.
Okay.
Please kindly subscribe my channel.
Okay.
Support me also.
Okay.
Thank you, hello baby.
Okay, you watch your videos today.
Yeah.
Woo. Imagine guys, I see some nails here which can bring some accident. You see this one here? Or I shall do this way. See then, you can't imagine guys. If you know gumboot here, you will know. Look at what? Look. Look at nails. That's the work to be here. Woo! Mixing of the concrete. Hey. Whoa. Hey.
The other one is staying under the guy very many.
Tema. Simiti wa mchile. Ukipenda mifuko mwenye anaenda kutumia ashone chandruva ndo lebu. Okay. Wow. This one have not mixed. Down right there, the Rusi have already been mixed. Maybe this in the future could be a business shop. This stuff here outside. Maybe selling of the cafe. This truck that you see here. Kwa hivyo mote merimu ichweka. Kaneno.
Washa mashini. Igonge. Wacha tumwage. Sio kitu.
I'm showing you guys, see even that. Oh, Babu. Oh. Ambera songa. You have the balance here. So there's a vibrate machine there to vibrate those pillars. Okay. Yani ukitikeza zimikike humo ndani.
Hapana, ukizima huko ndani, we shall burn this nani tail.
Yeah.
We call it a tail. I don't know what is a tail, but in
Oh guys, so right now it's lunchtime and I came from construction sites and it's lunchtime over here. You can see they're eating sardines and you can say hello.
Hello.
You came from school.
Yes.
That's my mama. Mama say hello.
Hello.
They're on lunch. They're on lunch mode, guys. So I want to clean the toilets. And I will end these videos in good way. So I put here god. Inside the whitish powder soap right now here. Oh. I'm going to clean the toilet. That insane. The clean water direct from the tank right there. Thank you so much, Mama. God bless you. You made it possible. Now my mom have a tank. Imagine have water here. Until it's full. Take that time. It's okay. So I mix the eggs from here, and then we have the toilet buckets, the red in color. Bruno, Muita. So welcome to our kitchen. This is my brother. Bono. Camera kidogo vile. Say hello. Hello. Is that eating here right now? As I'm telling you, it's lunch time over here. So I'm waiting him to finish a little bit and hold for me a camera. Imagine, guys, I'm taking water to the toilet to clean. Whoa. Maybe I think I'll get a triple stand. When my brother he was not around, I could put my camera there, shooting, doing some work. So that being said, in the morning, I'm supposed to make some cleaners inside here, like to mop. But for me, on today's video, it's no idea. Have the sandals right here. It's to maintain this place to be clean. And I want to put this water into 2 buckets. This one is for washing the wall. This one is for mopping. And I think I'll start here. This is the squeezer. I'll start mopping the wall by using this. This is a bathroom, guys. I'm telling you, do like this. Guys, I'm telling you, advantage of putting tiles on the wall. When it's dirty, it's to wipe. It's to wipe. Imagine. The work is to wipe only. Because when you're taking shower here, the scum of soap like this go to the wall. You clean. This is the good idea that I have initially. Oh, if you clean, it looks something white. Imagine, guys, I was saying, oh, one day I'll build a toilet. Nowadays you see Hello Baby making cleaners in the toilet. Yeah, I want my mama to be filled comfortable. So yeah, next I'm heading to the toilet next door. So first thing, let me wipe outside and then I'll finish inside. Hello, baby. Hello, baby, on the control. You see even this mark here, right here. You see? Work is to wipe. You know, when I'm here, I help my mom, you know. Your work is to wipe. Wiping, guys. That way. To wipe. I'm just over here and my home is just right there. And try to imagine, guys, these toilets are not far from my home to this place. So finally I'm coming on this side here, on this small porch right here. I clean on the top like that way, and it's too hot right now. It's too hot here. When I reach on this corner here, I'm going down. Imagine, guys, you see how work of maybe tiling on the wall make work to be easy. Even maybe in the future, not maybe, in future, I would think to tile my house inside to avoid painting. Hey. Oh. Whew. Within a short of time, I finished this place. See, even right here. Take this one. So my brother is coming to help me because he have enough time right now. He was just coming from there. The school uniform. You see? Hey, he was taller. Okay. Wow. So you stand it there because I'm wiping here and then to wipe inside the toilet. Oh, guys, comment on the comment section. What do you think about on today's videos? You see, my work is to wipe. Look, I'm telling you, in a short of time, I finish everything. Imagine, guys. Thank you so much for your support and love. I appreciate my good people. I can't imagine one day my family could enjoy by using a nice toilet like this. Imagine. So there I finish. My work is to again this one is to clean. only the wall. See guys, yeah, hygiene are very, very important. I'm telling you guys. This is okay. Wow. And I'm trying to advise, like I'm trying to encourage young youth outside there. If you have your parents, please do something for them. Do something for them. I'm just outside here to show you where I'm coming from, to show you what I'm doing. But anyway, guys, right now I'm wiping the wall. Yeah, wiping the wall. Wow, I think this one we finished. So it's time to mop. This one I finish. Look at now we squeeze. Is a squeeze. And we start here. The bathroom. Now we maintain some cleanness here. So let me carry this bucket and start inside here. But no more telling you. Wow. Imagine guys, hygiene is the key. I'm telling you. Stay with me. Hygiene is the key. We have this a squeezer right here. This is a brush right here, sweeping, and this is a mopper that I'm using, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and my brother wanna say thank you for holding my camera.